Ever felt lost in a sea of AI models, wondering how to unlock the power of Gemini? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini and exploring the simple steps to access this cutting-edge AI. Whether you're a curious beginner or a seasoned tech enthusiast, this guide will have you up and running in no time. Imagine a world where AI can understand and respond to your requests with unprecedented accuracy and nuance. That's the promise of Gemini, Google's latest and most advanced AI model. But before you can tap into its potential, you need to know how to log in. So, let's get started. Gemini is a powerful AI model developed by Google that boasts impressive capabilities. It can generate human-like text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who's curious about the future of AI, Gemini has something to offer. Transition to login process. Now, let's get down to business. How do you actually access this incredible technology? The login process might vary slightly depending on how you're interacting with Gemini. Let's explore a few common scenarios. 1. Accessing Gemini through Google Search. The easiest way to experience Gemini is through Google Search. Simply open your preferred browser and navigate to Invalid URL Removed. Type your query into the search bar. For example, you could ask something like what are the best hiking trails in Yosemite, or write a short story about a robot who dreams of becoming a chef. Press Enter. Google Search will now leverage Gemini to provide you with the most relevant and informative answers. 2. Accessing Gemini through Google Bard. Google Bard is a conversational AI chatbot powered by Gemini. To access Bard, visit bard.google.com. You'll likely need to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create one quickly and easily. Once logged in, you can start interacting with Bard. Ask it questions, give it prompts, and see how Gemini responds. 3. Accessing Gemini through Google Workspace. If you use Google Workspace for work or school, you might have access to Gemini through specific applications. For example, Gemini may be integrated into Google Docs or Google Sheets, allowing you to enhance your productivity with AI-powered features. Check with your organization's IT department for specific instructions on accessing and using Gemini within your Google Workspace environment. Tips for a smooth login experience. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. A strong and reliable connection is crucial for optimal performance when interacting with Gemini. Keep your browser updated. Using the latest version of your browser can help prevent compatibility issues and ensure the smoothest possible experience. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, cached data can interfere with website functionality. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help resolve any login or performance issues. Try different browsers. If you encounter problems logging in or accessing Gemini, try using a different web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Troubleshooting common login issues. If you're having trouble logging in, double-check your Google account credentials. Make sure you're entering your username and password correctly. Try resetting your password if you've forgotten it. If you're still experiencing issues, consult Google's help resources or contact their support team for assistance. Exploring Gemini's capabilities. Now that you've successfully logged in, it's time to explore the incredible capabilities of Gemini. Experiment with different prompts and queries to see how Gemini responds. Use Gemini to generate creative content, such as poems, stories, and scripts. Translate languages, summarize articles, and get help with research. The possibilities are truly endless. Safety and ethical considerations. While Gemini is a powerful tool, it's important to use it responsibly and ethically. Avoid using Gemini for malicious purposes, such as spreading misinformation or generating harmful content. Be mindful of the potential biases that may be present in the AI model's responses. Always critically evaluate the information provided by Gemini and cross-reference it with other sources. Staying updated with Gemini. Gemini is constantly evolving, with new features and improvements being added regularly. Stay informed about the latest developments by visiting the official Google AI blog and following their social media channels. Explore online communities and forums dedicated to Gemini to learn from other users and share your experiences. Logging into Gemini is a straightforward process that opens up a world of AI-powered possibilities. With its advanced capabilities, Gemini can be a valuable tool for learning, working, and creating. By following the steps outlined in this video and using Gemini responsibly, you can unlock its full potential and enhance your productivity and creativity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.